I've been seeing ads from a company called TaxQuotes. It's usually this like Asian dude on there. I don't know if he's like actually kind of an employee or just kind of a paid actor or something, but I just thought I'd respond to this ad of theirs.
How far back can you file taxes if you've fallen behind? The answer is 6 years. So
okay, hold on. How far back can you file taxes if you've fallen behind? The answer is 6 years. That's not really true. You can file back as long as you want, right? If you fall behind on taxes and you don't file taxes in 10 years, you can file those 10 years if you want to. It's just kind of as a matter of administrative simplification, and I would say administrative grace. The IRS instituted policy statement 5-133, which says they generally won't make you go back longer than 6 years in a tax delinquency case, right? So you can generally file the last 6 years and be considered in compliance. Of course, from time to time, we have a revenue officer assigned to a case who gets managerial approval to go beyond the 6 years, and we have to file beyond 6 years for a client. But it's not like you can't, if you don't want to, go back further than 6 years. You definitely can. All right, what else does this guy have to say?
Well, 2 reasons. 1, you can only collect refunds for 3 years after the tax year was due. For example, if you were...
Okay, that's right. You can only collect refunds for 3 years after the tax year was due. Yeah, that's generally the rule for the refund statute.
Money from 2021, you can only collect it until 2024. 2.
Hold on. But then he turns around and gets the math wrong. He says if you're owed money for 2021, the 2021 tax year, you could only collect it through 2024. No, that's not right, because 2021 is due in 2022, and 3 years from 2022 is 2025. Okay, wow. Yeah, I wouldn't.
Penalties and interest from accruing if you file now, even if you can't pay the whole balance. My company specializes in filing past due returns, helping our clients avoid further penalties and interest and getting them the money they're owed. To find out how we can help you, just...
If this guy's the owner of TaxQuotes, I'd be very scared. I mean, he said my company, so it sounds like he's the owner. But the fact that he's got that math wrong of when you can still get a 2021 refund in 2025, not 2024 like he said, makes me really suspect of how much he really specializes in filing back tax returns. Anyway, that's my take on this TaxQuotes ad. Folks, if you have if you have multiple years of unfiled returns, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. Give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829.